Okay, so your wife goes to take her aunt somewhere and runs into a problem. A flat tire. She ready. Okay, so you ran over a nail. What do you do? Now here's the easy trick. You got to pull the nail out and you got to plug this tire. And that plug will last a long time. As long as it's not in the sidewall, if it's in the tread, you can plug it and it'll last a long time. So we're going to plug this tire. But the first thing we got to do is pull that nail out. Robo grips. Yeah, I got it. I'm making a video right now. Got to keep working at it. You got to get it out. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to screw it out. The screw. Yeah, it's real pain. She ran over some kind of bolt. And we're gonna plug this tire. She went to the store to get a tire kit. Okay, here are the things that you're gonna need. A husky might help. What do you say, Logan? Would you help? Logan, would you help? Sure you would. You'd help fix a tire. I got my slime air pump with a gauge. Got my tire repair kit. And I also have this handy tool right here, which I'll use to bore out the hole that I pull the bolt out with. That way I got a nice even hole that I can plug. It's a little tough. I had to screw it out most of the way, so I'm gonna try to pull it out now. Oh. There you go. I got it out. That's what she ran over. Now you see why I had to screw it out. So we'll move this to you out of the way. Oh. Put it over here by my tools. And then we'll want to get this. I'll show you what this rasping tool does. Alright. You take, what this does is focus on it so you can see it. There you go. This pours it out to where it's nice and a nice and even hole so you can plug it. You have to put a little pressure on it. Kind of screw it in. You want it to go all the way through. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. It took a lot of really wiggling around like this to get it to go in that hole. Now I'm gonna twist it. I've got it all the way in. I'm gonna push it in and pull it out. Work the handle around. Got to wrap that hole all the way out through the whole tire. So it just easily went in. Still a little tough coming out. This is the hard part. There we go. There you go. We got us a nice hole. And now we're going to get our plug ready. Alright, now my wife went to the store. Probably can't see well because of that sun. She bought this tire repair kit. And we're going to open it up and see what it has in it. Okay, we have a rubber cement. We have our plugs. There's 3 plugs right here. And we have our tool that puts the plug into the hole that you just made with the rasp. Now, if you don't have a rasp, you want to make sure the tire kit you purchase has a rasp tool along with this tool. This tool holds your rubber piece. Okay, the next thing you want to do after you want to put your plug inside the hook of that little hook tool. Like I did there, I got it in there. I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to show you the rubber cement. We're going to take this rubber cement and we're going to put it all over this plug. It's a lot easier to do with 2 hands. There you go. Be liberal about it. Put it all over real good. Now we're going to take this plug and we're going to push it into that hole that we made in the tire. Hey Calvin, what you doing, buddy? Kitty cat wants some affection. Okay, there's my hole. I got my plug threaded into the hook. Rubber cement all over it. Now all I got to do is press it into this hole. All right. You push the plug about, I'd say that's about halfway in. And then you twist your handle. While pushing. There you go. Now what you want to do is twist it the opposite way. And then pull back sharply. There you go. Twist the handle until you can pull back sharply. Just like that. If it won't let you pull back sharply, then keep twisting. And what we're going to do is cut that remainder off and pump the tire up. Okay, now we're going to pump air back into the tire. Okay, tire is fixed, pumped up to 37 pounds of pressure. It's not leaking. Now we got to go get a pair of my wife's favorite scissors and cut the end of that plug off, like I was telling you about earlier. All right, now we got it pumped up. Like I said, I went and got my wife's favorite pair of scissors. She loves these things. These are really nice too. And we're gonna just cut this off with the edge. There you go. And another little bit right here I'm gonna need to cut. I don't want to hear that bump, feel that bump going down the road. There you go. Very nice. All done. That's how you plug a tire. And that's how you ruin a perfectly good pair of scissors that belong to your wife that she uses to crochet with yarn. Now I got black tar all over it. She should be pleased. But hey, she ran over the screw, not me. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. That is how you plug a tire.